Start off by browning our ground meat. We're gonna make some hard shell tacos. So we're gonna brown this meat. Then we're gonna drain off the oil. Our meat is cooked. We're gonna go ahead and drain it off into our strainer. Chop off. Make sure you drain all the grease off. And go ahead and drop it back into there. So now we're going to go ahead and drop in 3/4 cup of warm water and 1 packet of taco seasoning. I got the mild. I'm going to go ahead and give it a good stir. Turn your volume up on there. And all the seasoning to get up into this meat and cook down. Come to a boil. Give our meat a good old stir. While we're waiting for this to cook, we're gonna go ahead and put our preheat our oven to 350 and put our taco shells in here. I'm using the 18 pack of shells. Our oven is preheated. Let's go ahead and put them in the oven for 10 minutes. Now that our meat is cooked, we're going to go ahead and turn it off and go chop up our lettuce and tomatoes. And I'm going to use cheddar cheese for these tacos and also some sour cream. You can use cilantro if you want, or slice of tomatoes and onions. But this is what I'm going to use. So now we got our head of lettuce and our tomato. We're going to give them a good chop. Oops. You can put them as big as y'all want them. Make sure you wash your veggies off, you guys. And we're going to go ahead and chop this up. I'm only doing half. Our lettuce and the tomatoes are chopped. Our shells are done. So now let's start making our tacos. So I have lettuce, tomatoes, sour cream, and chopped cheddar cheese for my tacos on a hard shell. So let's start making our tacos. So let's go ahead and put our meat on our taco shell. Just like so. Now you're going to go ahead and add in your lettuce on there. Chop in your tomatoes. Drop on your sour cream. And there you guys have it. Ready to eat. Taco. Yummy, delicious.